Hi, I'm Disney artist and historian Stacia Martin, and I'm here at Walt Disney World as we celebrate our 50th anniversary. But you know, the Walt Disney Company goes back a little bit more than 50 years, back to the beginnings with what Walt said, the mouse it all started with, which I would like to draw for you right here. Mickey Mouse is the key, the cornerstone of everything that we do within the Walt Disney Company. He was the first character who brought Walt Disney great success, and fueled by that success, he was able to pioneer forward into worlds of entertainment even he never imagined were possible. Not only sound cartoons, followed by feature animation, followed by theme parks, and then live action features as well. It was a phenomenal, meteoric career that Walt Disney had, led all the way by Mickey. And you'll notice here as I draw Mickey that he is very simple to draw, simple to construct. He's made primarily of circles. We have the one large circle that makes his head, and then once we finish the top here, we add two circles on top, very similar to the famous ears made popular by the Mouseketeers on the original Mickey Mouse Club in the 1950s. So 3 circles total really gives you a terrifically good Mickey Mouse if you are an aspiring artist. But then again, you know, circles are a very forgiving shape to draw. Your hand naturally wants to move in a circle. So that's why you'll notice that a lot of the earliest animated characters, especially those from Mickey's era, are based on a round, friendly shape. Also, you'd like to hug somebody who's nice and round and plump like this. When you have a villain or somebody that's not very nice, generally they're drawn with straight lines and hard edges and points and corners. You don't necessarily want to hug that. But Mickey, of course, is the most huggable character on Earth, and it's astonishing to think how many people have passed through the portals of the Magic Kingdom here at Walt Disney World to hug Mickey in person over the past 50 years. And the best part, of course, is that we have only just begun. So thank you, Mickey, for inspiring everything that gave us 50 years of Walt Disney World.